Are you a green card applicant with an approved 140 waiting for your priority date to get current in the visa bulletin, but still confused about how to check your immigrant visa availability? Then this video is for you. Now, what is a priority date? Your priority date helps you determine the green card wait times based on your country of origin and tells you when you can file your adjustment of status application with the USCIS. Essentially, it is, for the lack of a better word, your spot in the immigration line. If your green card category requires labor certification like the EB2 or the EB3, your priority date is the day the Department of Labor receives your PERM application. If you are an EB1 green card applicant, though, you don't really need the PERM certification or the labor certification, and your priority date is the day the USCIS receives your I-140 application. Now, how do you find your priority date? If your I-140 application is approved, USCIS will send you an I-797, a notice of action titled Approval Notice, which contains your priority date. Now, the next thing is you have to compare your priority date with the visa bulletin. Let me explain how to compare this with the final action dates in the visa bulletin of August 2024 to determine if your visa is available for you. Number one, which chart to use? This is very important. A lot of people get this wrong. Check if you can use the final action date or both the final action date and the filing date chart in the visa bulletin for that month. This information is typically found in a separate page linked below for the dates of filing chart. Now, for the August 2024 visa bulletin, though, you must only use the final action date for all employment-based green card categories. Number two, compare your priority date. Assume you are an EB1A applicant with a priority date of March 1st, 2021 and your country of origin is India. First, move to the final action dates chart for the employment-based green card categories in the August 2024 visa bulletin. And since EB1A belongs to the EB1 category, look for the row that is titled Employment-Based First Preference and find your country of origin, India, if it is India, column to see the priority date listed for your preference category. In the August 2024 visa bulletin, for example, the EB1 final action date for India is February 1st, 2022. And if your priority date is on or before this, you can file your I-485 application with USCIS. Now, since March 1st, 2021 is before February 1st, 2022, you can file your 485 application right away. Also, I made a detailed video, by the way, explaining the August 2024 visa bulletin on our Smart Green Cards YouTube channel. You should definitely check it out for more information as well. Now, let's get back. If your priority date is not current, though, what do you do? If your priority date is not on or earlier than the final action date on your category, you can move to the dates of filing chart if USCIS allows its use for that month. However, in the August 2024 visa bulletin, you cannot use the dates of filing chart. So essentially, that is a dummy chart. You can only go with the final action dates chart. When the date of filing chart is applicable, though, you should check whether your priority date falls on or before the date of your preferred green card category and country of origin. If so, you can file your 485 application with USCIS. But you can only receive a green card when your priority date becomes current on the final action date chart. The advantage of the dates for filing chart is that it allows you to get an employment authorization documents and advance parole earlier. Now, why does the country of origin really matter for getting a US green card? Now, based on US immigration law, there is a 7% country cap limit with an annual allocation of employment-based green cards. So this leads to significant backlogs for applicants from highly populated countries or countries that send a lot of people to the US, such as India and China. What is the ideal option to get US permanent residency faster for Indians, though? A practical option for Indians is the EB1 or EB1A category, which has shorter green card wait times, nearly 2 years based on the August 2024 visa bulletin, but these dates usually move quicker for EB1 based as compared to the visa bulletins as well. So EB1 or EB1A final action dates move much faster in the visa bulletins compared to their other siblings like the EB2 and EB3. Now, within the EB1 category, though, EB1A stands out because it doesn't require employer sponsorship or even a job offer. It allows you to file your EB1A application independently with USCIS without really being dependent on an employer, which comes with a lot of employer drama as well. If you need assistance gathering robust evidence for the EB1A, and if you are wondering, like, I am starting from zero, what do I even do to get the EB1A? You should check out the Smart Green Card Program's VIP plan. And we put a lot of effort into making these videos to guide you on your immigration journey, your EB1A journey as well. And you should definitely hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this. That's all we ask from you. And also share it with 1 or 2 more people that might be helped by this kind of a content out there. It could be family, it could be friends. You could probably change someone's life by sharing this content, because we are talking about several decades being saved once you get your EB-1A approved. If you have any questions related to the EB-1A or the Smart Green Card program's VIP plan though, feel free to comment below and we are happy to help you on your EB-1A journey.